Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to create a YouTube channel in 2025. Whether you are starting for fun or building a brand, I'll show you the easiest way to set up your channel using a PC or laptop. First, you just need to open your browser and in search, you just need to type youtube.com and press enter. Check the sign in option. Make sure you are signed in with the Google account you want to use. Once you are on the home page, click on the profile picture in the top right corner. This opens your YouTube menu. In drop down menu, you just need to select settings. This brings you to your YouTube account settings page. In the settings page, look for labeled add or manage your channel. Click it to open the channel management page. Here you just need to select create a new channel. Enter your channel name and upload the picture if you want. This is my channel name. Just type the channel name you want and handle. It will be automatically created as you can see. Then select create channel option. Your brand new YouTube channel is now ready, and that's how you can create a YouTube channel in 2025. Customize your channel, upload your first video, and start growing your audience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials.